up, guys? So listen, a couple of my friends asked me, what do you put on your bowls when you're done? Well, I'm going to show you right now what I put on my bowls. This is my shine juice, and it's not my recipe. I saw it from a guy online, but here's what it is. Check it out. So it's boiled linseed oil, denatured alcohol, and shellac, and it's going to be mixed up in a 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 proportion, and I'm going to put it on this cherry bowl that I just turned, and it is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to see what the shine juice will do for it. So hang around and we'll see. Shellac, baby. A little pour, just a little pour of shellac. Oil, linseed oil. And last but not least, a little denatured alcohol. That's the magic formula, everybody. Oh yeah. So this is my finished piece of wood, cherry. God, look at the grain in that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's see how this shine juice makes it look, shall we? Don't want it too wet. Nice. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking at. Nice. It's going to have a nice look to it. Let's get a little more on there, shall we? Spot. Look at that spot in there. That's weird. See that? I don't know if you can see that. That is really weird. See that spot right there? That was tricky. Very challenging. It's weird. Weird. Very nice. Unusual. Those colors in there.